Hey y'all, it's Gracie. Today I have decided to finally do my room tour. I know I've been saying that I would do this for the longest time and I just haven't gotten around to it, so I decided today would be the day that I showed y'all my room, and I'm gonna do my best to tell y'all where everything's from. Obviously some of it's not gonna be sold anymore, like my bedding, but I'm gonna try to tell where everything's from, and if you want me to try to find a link, just comment below what you're looking for and I'll do my best to do that. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's just go ahead and get on to the video.